welcome to Parents in Motion. Today I want to share with you this really cool toy I got for my son a few months ago. It is the Take Apart Airplane from Btoys. Both my son and I love this toy, and so I decided to do a quick review and show you how fun it is to take apart and assemble this airplane. But first, here are some specs. The price point is between $15.99 and $20. The plastic is very sturdy, high quality, and has resisted pretty well over time with no cracks or damages. The airplane measures 11 inches wide by 11 inches deep. The drill comes with 3 bits for different types of screws and nuts. At the top, you can set up 3 positions. The first position is reverse for disassembling, the middle position is off, and the last position is forward so you can put it back together. The drill takes 2 AA batteries that are not included. We've been using it for quite some time and we haven't had to replace the batteries yet. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you on the next video.